Hello, what is your name?
I'm Menchi Sehas,
How old are you?
33 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
No,
Do you have kids?
No.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 6 months.
Do you have so do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes,
Where?
Philippines.
Okay, so how many years there?
2 years,
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
1 year and 6 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Yaotong,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
500 square meter.
Square feet, okay. How many family member there?
4.
How many? Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6 a.m.
Uh-huh.
Clean
And
the
then?
house, and then prepare breakfast,
Mm-hmm.
and then cleaning the cat house, and then prepare going to the hospital.
Uh-huh. And then?
Bring my mom to the hospital for her therapy.
Okay. And then after that?
And then go home, cleaning the house again, go market,
Mm-hmm.
then prepare for dinner,
Okay, so what time they cook?
6 o'clock,
Okay, so what time they eat?
7 o'clock,
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
sometimes 9:30 or 10 p.m.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay,